Actually, I think you're going anyways.
Just say something to him, please.
I have been. Hello, Zeke. Yeah, buddy, 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 buddy. Oh, yeah? Interesting. Hey.
It's Daddy.
Yeah, Daddy has to go and work now.
He's about to take off with the phone. It's so cute. Okay, say bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Dad. Bye, Daddy.
I really have to go.
Okay, say bye.
Daddy.